Hello and welcome to this short video presentation from Duncan Cartledge Online on the measurement of cut and fill. How many of these questions can you answer correctly? If you're struggling, then continue watching. Here is a site survey. As can be seen, it slopes steeply from left to right. Problem is, the site needs to be leveled before work can commence. The formation level, 55, is circled in red. The topography of the site is illustrated here. To bring the site to the formation level, part of it needs to be excavated or cut, and part of it needs to be filled. By tracing the 55 contour, it's possible to mark the demarcation point of cut and fill, shown here in red. However, this line presents measurement problems. Therefore, we have evened out the line, as shown in orange, to make measurement easier. We can now divide the site into a series of trapeziums, as this allows the work to be measured and described in detail. There's much more on how to measure cut and fill on Duncan Cartledge Online, including a worked example. You'll find over 9 hours of voiceover tutorials guiding you through measurement, estimating, cost advice, project and contract management.